This is a video for the Bachmann HO scale Union Pacific 4432 locomotive disassembly. I couldn't find one online, so I'll do a quick one here about how to take apart the locomotive. Mine had a burnt out headlight, so I ordered the part from Bachmann. They sent me this with no instructions, so looked online, can't find anything on their website or YouTube or anywhere about how to take apart the engine, so try to get myself shot myself. Basically, this is what it looks like when it's apart. For reference, it's really just two parts, and the best way to get it apart is to remove the bottom piece here, 3 screws, and then out comes a connector and a couple other screws as well. Basically any visible screw that you can see on the side of the chassis here, along the side, when it's together, is the ones you got to take out. And once those are all out, the main component of the engine will slide kind of up and down like that inside the chassis, but it won't come out really from the front unless you pry right up here. Use a small screwdriver, get in there and pry, do some prying, and it'll pop right out. It's pretty cheap plastic, so you may break a few little pieces here and there. I broke a small screw hole area right there, but small price to pay to have a working light and an engine as well.